Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Maldives Foreign Minister Abdullah Shahid has been elected as 76th President of the United Nations General Assembly UNGA with an overwhelming majority. He has received 143 votes out of 191 ballots casted, while his only competitor, Afghanistan's Foreign Minister Zalmay Rasool, got only 48 votes. This event is being considered as one of the biggest diplomatic win for India. Now, the obvious question that would be running in our mind would be how can this be a diplomatic victory for India and how it's going to benefit India. To answer this, let's go a little back in past. The previous president of UNGA, Volkan Bozkır, is from Turkey, and we all know that in the present geopolitical situation, Turkey has become pro-Pakistan and he has been giving statements in the favor of Pakistan. Now, if you look into the guidelines of UNGA, it clearly states that UNGA president will be unbiased. In contrary, Volkan Bozkır went to Pakistan in May 2021 and received second highest civilian honor, Hilal-e-Pakistan. After receiving the award, he gave a speech in which UNGA president equated Palestine with Jammu and Kashmir issue and said that it was Pakistan's duty to raise the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in the United Nations more strongly. Clearly, Volkan Bozkır was spreading the propaganda of Pakistan as he received the award from it, and Turkey has misused the position of UNGA president for its own geopolitical gains. India had expressed strong opposition to this statement when an incumbent president of UN General Assembly makes misleading and prejudiced remarks. He does great disservice to the office he occupies. The PGA's behavior is truly regrettable and surely diminishes his standing on the global platform. In contrary, Maldives' stand on Kashmir issue has been very clear and it considers it to be an internal matter of India. We all know that every now and then Pakistan keeps crying about Kashmir issue at multiple international forums. Maldives has been very vocal about this in the favor of India and against Pakistan, not only in UN but also in OIC, which is the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and a group of 57 Muslim majority countries. Now, with the election of Maldives Foreign Minister Abdullah Shahid as a UNGA president is seen in the favor of India. Maldives had announced Shahid's candidature back in December 2018, which was strongly backed by India. The Indian diplomat in UN said FM Shahid is eminent qualified to hold the position of PGA with a vast diplomatic experience and strong credentials, especially in multilateral fora. India announced its support for Shahid during the Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringela's visit to Maldives in November 2020. He was the only candidature for the post of PGA. However, twist in the tail came with Afghanistan announcing Rasool as its candidate for the post of PGA in mid-January 2021. The situation was challenging for India as both Maldives and Afghanistan have excellent relationship with India and are its close allies. However, since India has already committed to Maldives before and Maldives has never held the position of PGA, India voted for Maldives. The decision seems to be wise because Afghanistan announced its candidature 6 months before the election, while India has already promised strong support for Maldives at multiple times after its announcement of candidature of PGA back in 2018. So if India would have changed its decision in the last moment, it would have not only raised concerns about its credibility in the international arena, but it would have also affected India and Maldives' relationship, which is strategically important for Indian Navy to keep China away from Indian Ocean region. Back in February 2021, India had inked a deal to develop naval base in Maldives. While it is being primarily developed for Maldives National Defence Force Coast Guard, it can act as a strategic asset for Indian Navy when required and give an edge over China. It will be much relief for India seeing Maldives take the position after Turkish diplomat and politician Volkan Bozkır leaves office as UNGA president. This was today's update.
Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.